Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. 3 items. These 2 from Yate and that one from Keynsham. I bought that one a little while ago, but I didn't bother doing a charity shop video on it because it was just the one small item. It's a coffee frother or chocolate frother. We actually have a couple of these somewhere. I just had it in mind that I might power a boat with it or something like that. It just spins round. I could put a little propeller on the end there, have that sticking out the back of a toy boat and drive it along. It's an IKEA one, I think. Yeah, IKEA. I don't think they're much more than that when they're brand new. I've put fresh batteries in it, and as you can see, it works. So yeah, I just picked that up for a bit of fun. Wooden kits. These ones are laser cut. A pack of 4 of them. They're only dinosaurs. I mean, I've done enough dinosaurs over the years, but I just like to keep something in the car to do. And I'm sitting there waiting for Nanny when she's been shopping or visiting her friends or whatever. And I've actually run out, so I thought I would replenish my stock. Yeah. So I'm just trying to read if there was any company name I'd recognise. But Xiaomu Jian Sheng. Absolutely no doubt I mispronounced that. Let's see what we've actually got. I must have done enough Tyrannosauruses in my time. Triceratops. I like Triceratops. Stegosaurus and Parasaurolophus. Yes, I've definitely done all of those in the past at some time, but not with this particular laser cut kit. And then finally, jumping frog, or jumping bot as it calls it, robot that jumps like a frog. I'll have a look through my archives. There was a chap I used to talk to quite a bit on YouTube. He used to make this sort of thing from scrap, from bits of plastic pipe, PVC piping and electric motors from toys and that sort of thing. If I can find one of his videos, I'll put it in the video description. Clementone, good brand. Electric motor in there. Drives these wheels that have only got gears on part of them. So they'll push the legs up, and then when the teeth run out, the legs will shoot back down again. I've no doubt there'll be something like that on Thingiverse anyway, if we look. Anyway, that should keep me occupied for an evening. So there we go. That's charity shop gold or garbage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.